So we're here at Canopy by the Wharf. You can see my big king bed. I don't know if this qualifies as riverfront view. We've kind of got a little bit of river, a little bit of city. We're nearer to the front of the hotel than the water, which I'm not super excited about, but I do appreciate that I can see some of it. And from where the bed is, it is, you know, looking at the water. So that's something. The lesson that we've learned today is maybe sometimes it's better to check in on the mobile app early, because apparently this place was sold out today. The reason that we chose a random Monday night was in hopes that maybe there would be less people, we'd be more likely to get an upgrade, but apparently they've completely sold out on Monday, May 4th. Earlier in the day, there were options if we checked in on the mobile app to get something closer to the water. However, by the time that we got here, they said this was the best room that they could give us. It is quite spacious. They said they got us some extra room, which I think is like this random chair in the middle. I don't know how I feel about that. Overall, I really enjoy the aesthetics of the place, like this wood. The only thing right now that's maybe giving me pause is how thin the sheets are on the bed. There's no comforter, which I'm kind of used to. It's just like a really thin sheet. So I'll let you know like tomorrow morning how that feels. I am excited that it has, you know, an up-to-date TV and it's got streaming stuff, because usually we have to bring our Amazon Fire Stick, and we didn't have to do that today because we can just, you know, pop on the Netflix. Good news is we requested slippers and they did bring them to our room. Slippers available. But other than that, you know, we're here. We're gonna have a staycation. I'm excited because the weather is awesome today. I think it's 75 outside. There's a nice breeze. We're gonna eat dinner at the restaurant here. Enjoy the weather. Yeah, so stay tuned. It's so bright out here, it's crazy. Okay, so overall, I would give it, I don't know, I'd give it a 5 stars. 5 out of 5. I really enjoyed my meal. I got a little salty by the end, marchetta and fennel sausage, but it was really light, it was really nice. Wart loved his cavatappi and crispy chicken. He loved it, he ate it up. I also liked the bites I got. I was very surprised by the Parmesan fries. The lemon aioli was awesome, and I'm not usually like a citrusy, lemony person for my food. Wart thinks his watermelon limoncello drink tastes like the inside of a Abercrombie and Fitch. I thought it was pretty nice. Naples Spritz is absolutely delicious. Summary 5 out of 5. I would come here. Would you come here again? Focaccia, really dry. Not my favorite. Do the fries still hold up? Fries still hold up though.